For years, we have been on a journey of empowerment, of transformation, of giving voice to the adolescent girls. This led us to further illuminating the paths for adolescent boys, young women, teachers, and entire communities. What began as a journey has grown into a movement. Welcome to Voice 4.
So the new voice ecosystem includes voice for girls, voice for women, voice for policy, voice for innovation.
Voice for Girls remains our heartbeat. It's where girls discover their power to break barriers, uplift peers, and lead change. Since 2018, we walked with boys to help unlearn, relearn, and be a part of this journey, while the young women answered the call to claim spaces in social sector leadership.
I was an Echidna Global Scholar in 2023, and during my fellowship period there, I was able to understand and learn from voices' experiences, but also place the work that we do with Girls and Girls Agency on a global platform. I realized the potential that we have to inspire others with programmatic models and ideas of how to work with adolescent girls. Yeah. And that was the genesis of Voice for Policy. And
Voice for Innovations is going to be a hub where our staff as well as others can come in and pitch in their ideas and create something new. So any new program that we want to experiment with becomes a part of Voice for Innovations. Currently, we are working for a program which will be developed for adolescents.
Our gender transformative safe spaces will expand beyond physical space. Here, girls shatter silence, boys redefine strength, young women turn solidarity into strategy. This is where the chains of intergenerational oppression breaks and new futures begin.
this new avatar of voice that you're seeing as Voice for captures all the ambitions along with the incredible actions we've done in the past. So infused with all the new energy and spirit and ambitions with the underlying essence of Voice for Girls, we launched Voice for.